How can I create study guides that match exam questions? Imagine walking into your exam feeling confident because your study guide is perfectly aligned with what you'll be tested on. That's the goal when creating study guides that match exam questions. To do this, start by understanding the exam format and question types. Review your syllabus, lecture notes, and any study outlines your instructor provided. Look for clues about which topics are emphasized most. Past exams and sample questions are gold mines for this. They show you the style of questions and what concepts are most likely to appear. Organize your content by main topics and subtopics that match those on the exam. This keeps your guide focused and relevant. Use active recall by writing practice questions that mimic the exam style. For example, if your test has multiple choice questions, create similar ones with clear answer choices. If it's an essay, practice outlining key points you'd include. Summarize important ideas, definitions, and formulas in simple bullet points or charts. Visual aids like diagrams or mind maps can help you see connections quickly. Add real-world examples or case studies that relate to how questions might be asked. This makes your study more practical and easier to recall. Customize your guide to how you learn best. If you prefer outlines, use those. If visual charts work better, create colorful diagrams. Regularly update your guide as you learn more. After each practice test, note which areas need more focus and tweak your guide accordingly. You can also use AI-powered tools that turn your notes or PDFs into organized study guides. These tools can highlight key points, generate practice questions, and structure content logically. They save time and make sure your guide stays aligned with what you need to know. Combining exam analysis, organized content, active practice, and personalized formats helps you craft study guides that prepare you for the actual questions on your test. This approach makes studying more efficient and boosts your confidence when exam day arrives.